In this jelly printing tutorial, I wanted to give you a quick overview on how to use texture on the jelly plate. So actually, you can see here that I've used way too much paint. So you'll be surprised how little paint you need. But if you do squeeze out too much, you can just do what I'm doing here, which is just to roller some off and then pop it onto a spare piece of paper on the side and just roller it onto that piece of paper. So to create texture on this piece, I've taken a bottle and I'm using the bottom to create circles, and the bottle will pick up some of the paint, and so when you put the paper down to pull the print, you'll have a background of colour with the circles printed where the paint has been taken away. You really need to press down and smooth the paper for quite a while. Sometimes I like to use the brayer to help smooth it out to make sure I've made good contact with the jelly plate. You can see how nicely that's come out with the texture built. So this one I'm adding less paint, you can see, and I use a lot less paint on this one, and that's provided me with some really nice coverage. And I've just taken a tool to create some wavy lines. Again, that takes the paint away so that when I pull the print, I'll have the background of the blue colour and those wavy lines will be left with no paint on, providing me with a really nice print. And the tool that I was using there was a catalyst tool. So this one I've used a couple of different colours to show you that you can do that, and I've taken some letter stamps. I've used those to remove the paint, so that will create a really nice effect and lots of lovely texture with different letter stamps when I pull the print. Again, making sure I make really good contact with the plate, pressing it down and smoothing it for quite a while before I pull it. And you can always turn the jelly plate over to see what your print will look like before you pull it.